Keep coming forward. Keep coming forward.
Come as close as you can.
Come forward and get up here.
Jump off the stage.
It's not tough, it's what you want. I hold up my lap, but then there's no fist, wide eyes on the prize. I feel it all, man, I feel the weight more than I. Now I wait cool. What the move will make you? Resurgent, town to town, go to the ropes in, gun in your eyes, searching and searching, at others' expense. A head full of glass, man, you're stuck on the fence. One step forward. 2 steps back, at some fucking point, man, I gotta react. I'm losing sense of the future's come. I feel the weight and I feel it all. More than I! Now I wait cool. What that move will make you the fool! What truth? Stir up the anger and wrath. That's the truth! What will you do when you can't turn your back? Shit. Yo, get the fuck up on the stage right now! Fuck it! Jennings! See you around! You avoid my eyes! You look at your feet! You hide the skies! I see your truth! I see the facts! Don't look my way! You turn your back! You're fucking bad!
Alright, let's keep this shit moving. Let's fucking kick it! Let's fucking go! Doggies! For my dogs. Right now. Go! Yo, get the fuck up here! Listen to the streets! Patient scattered trash! Such a censorship! Truth, all this, but we just don't
Yo, that was crazy. Good thing my face broke my fall.
This one's a new one.
Yeah, new song.
Pick this shit up! Patience up! With a pocket of problems! Who you gonna squeeze? Hoping to solve them! Who are you? You're trying to decide! You're too indecisive! Then make up your mind! Nobody's listening! Nobody! When you're down to do, you'll say life ain't there! And someone call the doctor! You need a trigger from your neck up! Push! If you ask! No regret! No apologies for the things we do, for what you see. Friction Style 2022, you know what it is and you know what we do. Get the fuck down. Let's fucking do it! This next one's a cover. We played it a couple times. There's a wonder to sing. Where's the world? Where's the man? Where's the man in space? Hang on, hang on.
you got my Italy hat, you can keep it. But just know how much it means to me. Never mind, I'm keeping it. This one's called Mine is Mine. Here we go. Love my friend.
Two more.
Take it for fucking leaving!
It's our last song. Goes out to everybody in this room. Be yourself. Don't second guess it. It's called Keeping It Real. All y'all motherfuckers. You do. Running from your problem, 'cause you can't face the truth. Keeping it real, right from the start. True to the homies, know who you are. Say what you say, we're gonna do what we do. If you don't like it, we got no time for you. Thank you so much. I love you.